Oh my god, guys, I'm blessed. All right, what's up and what's good, man? Today we have a brand new episode of The Trash Chronicles. This is like number 3, my lord. Look at this, bro. Outside the first steaming hot trash pile, we got the UPS Astros. What is this called? Why do I want to say V-neck for hats? Visor, I guess it is. What is this? Ooh, that deep massage. It's Viagra. Niagara. Viagra. Bro, I don't know how to read. But look at this sick blanket, bro. All woven 70s, straight up pothead vibes.
Some people call me the space cowboy.
This is making my allergies flare up with all these darn flowers. Okay, this is actually really cool. I'm gonna grab this, maybe use it for my dog. And you know what? I might have to grab this fan too, just because it's hot out here. And now my last name is Paul. Fan too, you feel me? All right, so let's just grab these 3 things. It looks like there are clothes in here and other textiles. I don't know. Should we do another mystery unbagging? Yes. All right, guys, so I really didn't find much else. So we're just gonna mystery unbag these things. I feel like it just might have pillows and comforters, but let's see, because we might have some material for my dog.
That's my dog, shows my dog, that's my dog.
Alright. What are those? Pillowcase? Another blanket. Pillowcase again. Ooh, look at that ornamentation though. Striped pillow. Nice. Pillow. Nice. Another pillow. Nice. All right, yeah, they're just full of sheets and pillows. Guys, look who's in here too though. This is super sick. I could put this underneath like a plant. Damn, look at that embroidery. Oh. All right, guys, since the trash was not smacking, we had to hit Goodwill. And dude, look at these accoutrements. Okay, these will be available on the home section of Thrift Heaven, but check it out, man. You got the Patrick, what does this say, Masterpiece Meme Series, brand new in the box. And then look what SpongeBob is whipping, bro.
Oh my God!
Are you joking me? All right, so we got the cart loaded up. Right on time you pulled up. Okay, so I found the Tommy for your mommy, little medium-sized flag, all wavy, crew neck. Fishes get you hella bitches, you already know that, even in the bag form. There's this nice little Nike track jacket. So then my boo also found that Tommy girl, literal, hold on, Tommy for your mommy. And yeah, that's pretty much all that we found in here. I got a Cusco shirt, but yeah, Emperor's New Groove Steez. But yeah, man, nice little quick worthwhile stop. So a little bit of thrifting, a little bit of trash digging. We got everything in this video. All right, man, it's been a day, my guys. And yeah, that Goodwill kind of smacked, honestly. But yes, we're back with the Trash Chronicles. From the first pile we began, they threw out something else. They actually had a bunch of stuff yesterday. I didn't look through it, but I mean, I assume it was good because it's all gone now. But they have this shelf, which I'm probably gonna grab because everyone needs shelves in their life. Let's see if I can lift it single-handedly. To say I'm not swole will be an understatement. Just look at that. Perfect fit. Perfect. Oh, guys. Yo, my homeboy just dropped a dime. He is a dime. Shout out Young Clever. But he said he saw a TV that someone had thrown out up front. So we gonna run this back. Here we go again. Damn, that shit looks heavy though. Bro, this is a Samsung too. Shout out Jay-Z. Bruh, this shit just fell over so hard in my car. If it didn't have a cracked screen before, it does now. Bruh, this is gonna be like an ongoing war. It's like Cantu versus TVs. You feel me? Oh, look at this. Look at this. Bro. What is that, bro? Damn, that's a damn llama. Hold up. They also got that Black & Decker little oven. Bro, microwave oven. Come on, man. Paw Plant too. Paw Plant. Oh shit. Dang, well, there goes that idea. I got so excited. R.I.P. Son of a ding dong. What is that? Is that like a butterfly enclosure? Yeah, that looks like a butterfly enclosure over here. All right, this is actually clutch though. They have this giant piece of plywood, which I'm gonna use to make some projects with. I got all my saws and stuff, so we can actually do it. Free 99. Oh, hell yes, bruh. I'm finna be able to communicate with my alien relatives and get all the channels. That's nice.
Nice.
Hey. No, I don't need it. I don't need it. That guy just tried to give me his trash. I said, get out of here. No, I said I don't need it. I'm friendly, guys. Come on, man. Y'all know me. I'm friendly. Look at this hot steaming pile of garbage, man. That is actually a nice little desk set, and they're just throwing it out. Lazy bums. Lazy bums don't want to donate nothing. Trippy. I will admit, it's a lot of work, but come on, bruh. Oh, what do we got here? Dang, they actually got some good stuff. Hold up. Bro, look at this. They have all this flooring, which can be cut and reused. It has a very nice stain to it. So I'm gonna grab that. Then they have these cabinet doors. I don't think I need those. But these, my man, all these pieces of flooring go hard. Yes. Dang, and they got this golden mirror too. What up? I like take homie's generator and ice chest. I thought it was trash. Oh, hell no, bruh. Not on my watch. You guys know Paul Plan 2 in the building. Look at this. Look at this. They about to just throw out this beautiful piece of life. Nah, not on my watch, Playboy. All right, I'm gonna put this in the car. That's what I'm talking about. Plan 2, baby. Earth is my planet.
Earth is my planet.
Uh-oh, we slow roll into another juicy pile. Oh, they tripping. Up, get called out. Get called out. Oh God, I hear a person. I'm nervous. How's it going? Bruh. Like there are some lit frames in the trash right here. So I think, yeah, all I gotta do is pop the back off on them and then we Gucci, bruh. They just like stapled things in here. I'm gonna grab these. Even if I don't use them, I'll just throw them to the thrift. Dang, they got a full dresser. This is actually low-key clean. I don't need it though, but I figured I'd share. The more you know. Uh-oh, what we got right here? Damn, someone's donating a whole damn classroom. Bro, that throwback Gatorade container without the lid? Yo, that actually is really sick. Should I put a plant in there? Oh, man. Yes. Plant 2 just entered the chat, bruh. All right, man, we're putting tree plants in one container. Let's freaking go. All right, guys, so here are the 3 plants we're adding. This one I got for $5 at Lowe's, and the rest were free 99 found in the trash. So I got these dudes right here. I just cut them out of someone's yard, actually, not in the trash. And then just a little trash back, not flashback, to the time when the person threw out these leaves. Oh, they were tweaking, bruh. Not like this. This plant is not dying today. I threw them in the water and we have roots, baby. So yeah, we're gonna surround this giant yucca cane with these pothos plants and whatever the hell type of ivy this is. I should know, but I don't, but here it is, man. I just Googled it. Oh yes. Looking good. Bro, look at those roots. This thing root bound as hell. Perfect. Wow, bruh. This thing is looking crazy. All right, now's the fun part, and that's surrounding it with extra foliage. Look at those roots. Bro, that looks so clean. That's why I grabbed it out the trash, my guys. It's gonna go in the vintage room and look insane. All right, guys, so I'm officially sweating my balls off, but we are done with the Gatorade water jug turned planter, so that's super sick. If you guys enjoyed today's video, please like, comment, and subscribe. I'm gonna be doing a lot more projects, perhaps decorating my upstairs like office area slash vintage room where this bad boy is gonna reside. So definitely give a thumbs up if you guys would like to see that video. And also I will be doing some art, is what you interpret it to be, with the wood that I picked up as well. So just stay tuned. We got a lot of projects coming up, and live the dream, eat that ice cream. I'm locked, I'm loaded, and I'm out. Peace.
Killing these songs, leaving a bloody life I roost to. And I'm in it to win it, so I'm somebody that you should get used to.